ಇಲ್ಲದ ಸರಿ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ಹೊರಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು.
Good evening, dear students.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, very good evening.
Good
Today,
evening, sir.
today one of the school from Andhra Pradesh, Carmel High School, okay, has joined our team. Okay, let's give a warm welcome to Aravind sir and his team. Okay, to the PCS group. From now on, our group will be known as PCSA. P means Pushpa Schools, C means Sacred Heart High Schools, then C means Krishnajyoti Arkalaguru School. Then one more C, Carmel High School from Andhra Pradesh. Aravind sir, are you there?
ಏನ
Aravind sir,
ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಚೇರಿ ಕಳಿ ಸಂಗತಿ ಆ ಚೇರಿ ಕಳಿ ಚೇರಿ ಹಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Aravind sir. Sir, Aravind sir, please introduce
Hi,
yourself.
sir.
Hello sir.
Hi, sir. Good evening, sir.
Please introduce yourselves and your team.
Hi, sir. Good evening. My name is Aravind, and I am from Carmel English Medium High School, Chebrol.
Okay, sir.
My team is now they are waiting actually because of today here they are celebrating Guru Purnami. Because
Okay,
of
okay.
that, some numbers are in a puja right now.
Okay. Today, how many students are attending the class, sir?
Today, students are not attending the class, sir. Only myself, I'll attend the class today.
Okay,
Next class
sir.
onwards, students also will join in the class.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Okay, okay. So now, can anyone please recap what we learned in the previous class?
Scratch.
Yeah. What we learned in the scratch in the last class?
About game.
Sir, how to create a game in
How
Scratch?
to create
Creating
a
a game.
So who thought that? Who thought that?
Rutvik.
Okay.
Rutvik.
Okay, fine. In our last class, we learned a game from Rutvik. So today we are going to learn how to create a story using Scratch coding. Okay, anybody knows how to create a story?
No, sir.
No idea? No, okay, no problem. So we are lucky today. So do you know why?
No, sir.
No, because we have another instructor with us, Aditi. She is sitting with me only. Okay, so she is from grade 5. She is studying class 5 only. She is not a teacher, but she will teach to us. Okay, she is from Pushpa School, Priyapatna. She will now introduce herself and continue the class. So, over to Aditi.
Hello, everyone.
Hello,
Aditi.
Hello, Aditi.
Hello, Aditi. I am Aditi of grade 5th and I study in Pushpa English Medium School and I am here today to teach you how to make a story. Okay, I'm going to share my screen now. Okay, now can anyone tell me how to go to Scratch?
Go to Google Chrome.
Can I? Diya.
Go to Chrome
Yes.
and search Scratch.
I have to search Scratch.
Yeah.
Okay, you mean this right?
Yeah.
Okay, now what should I do?
You should click on the first link.
Great. Now what should I click on?
Sorry.
Log into the.
Start creating.
Actually, it's already login, so I'm going to click on start creating. Okay. Okay. Now wait a minute. Now I'm going to delete this sprite. Now I'm going to choose a backdrop for my story. Can anyone suggest me one?
Baseball court.
Means
Garden.
I want it to be like a
Fantasy.
fantasy suited for.
Castle.
Like I want it to be like a forest, anything. Maybe I'll choose colorful city. And for the sprite, I'm going to choose people.
Namgelu.
I'm going to choose princess. Okay. Now I'm going to choose, this will be like the main character. I'm going to make a stand here and I will choose another sprite, which will be prince. It is too small, so I'm going to go to the size and I'm going to increase its size. Go to 200. And I'm going to make him stand here. But I want the prince to face the princess. How can I do it? Does anyone know it? Yes?
Direction.
No, actually.
You can click on direction and change it.
Actually, you can see here, right? Code, costumes and sounds. I'm going to go to costumes. And here you can see flip horizontal. Click on it and it just turns around. It's just a simple way to make a character face to another character. Okay, let me make it stand for. Now, first of all, I'm going to do coding for the princess. Wait. Okay, I'll go to the looks category. And see, mostly we use this block. Whenever I click on it, the character says hello. But I want the character
First, you want
say
to
hello.
take events.
Wait a minute, okay?
Excuse me,
Yes,
I have a doubt.
yes.
First, we need to go for a event and we have to take a green flag code, right?
Yes, I know it. First, I'm going to show you, okay?
Okay.
Whenever I click on the block, the character says hello. But now I want, when the green flag is clicked, I want the character to say hello. So I will do what should I do? Can someone tell me?
We
Did
have
you
to
go
click
for
on
event block?
Go
to
Yes.
event.
Yes, I had gone to event.
There is an option when green
And
flag
take-
clicked.
Yes. Thank you. Now, whenever I click the green flag, the character says hello. Now, I wanted to tell something else. So, I'll go hi, Prince. And I'll go to the Prince. And I'm going to again choose when green flag clicked. And of course, looks say hello. But I'm going to do it hi, Princess. Okay. Now, when I click the green flag, they both speak. But I want only one at a time to speak. So, when the princess is speaking for 2 seconds, right? I'm going to go to the print sprite and control. You can see this block, right? Wait 1 second. I'm going to add it at the top at the say block. And how much seconds did the princess speak? She spoke for 2 seconds. So here I'll add 2 seconds. Now when I click on the green flag, see, one after another speaks. Now I'll go to wait. I mean control, and I'll choose the wait. And how much seconds did the prince speak last time?
2 seconds.
So I'm going to enter 2 seconds. And I'll make the princess reply as let's go to the castle. Now I'm going to choose backdrops and castle. There are like 4 castles. Which shall I choose?
First one.
Castle 1.
Castle 3.
Castle 1 background is good
Castle first one.
because it looks like
Castle
anime.
3.
Castle 1.
Members told castle.
3.
Castle 1.
1.
Castle 1.
Castle 1.
Castle 1.
Yeah.
When switch,
Load है तक.
and I'll go to the print sprite.
छोड़ा.
Please mute your audio. Now, princess spoke for 2 seconds, so I'm going to make her wait for 2 seconds. Now,
Don't draw on board.
let them drop, but please listen the class, okay? Now, I'm going to make the prince say, yes, let's go. And now, I'll go, it's already in the looks, right? Now, switch backdrop to, I'll go, and it's already castle 1, okay? Now, wait a minute. I'll go to the princess sprite. And the prince spoke for again 2 seconds. So I'm going to make the princess wait for 2 seconds. Now I'm going to go to looks and of course take the say blocks. And make her tell, what a beautiful city. Is everything clear?
Why it should come city? Why? Because it is a castle, right?
Okay, as you said. Now, when we go to the castle, I want a new character to appear. So I'll go to choose a sprite. Maybe I'll go choose to fantasy and I'll take Giga. And
Someone's scratching on the screen.
forget them and please listen the class, okay? And now for the Giga, I'm going to give like when green flag clicked in the events. And now we can even use the wait blocks because I don't want it to appear when we were in the colorful city. but it would appear. So we can't like count all the seconds and make it disappear. So the easier way is I'll go to princess. Now you can see in the events when backdrop switches to, can you see it?
Yes.
Now I'll go to the looks. Now you can see the show and hide, right?
I have a doubt.
Yes, Ishani?
We should take two.
You take those two, okay? I'm explaining. Okay, now when the green flag is clicked, I want Giga to hide. And when the backdrop switches to castle, I'm going to make it show. So when they will be communicating and the backdrop switches to the castle and Giga shows up. Now I'm going to show you how it worked. Now we were in the colorful city, right?
Colorful city.
Okay, now where's the green flag?
You can scroll up.
Okay. See, Giga appears. Now you understood, right, how to make a character appear and disappear?
Yeah.
Yes, sister.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'll go back to the Princess Bride and let's check if the prince spoke. Yes, he spoke for 2 seconds. So I'll go to Princess and make her wait for 2 seconds. And I'll tell her, hi Giga. Now she will tell hi Giga when to the Giga sprite, and I want Giga to replay. Then we have to count the princess spoke for 2 seconds. So Giga should wait for 2 seconds so that she can speak. And he responds to the princess, hello. Now the prince wants to speak in the middle, but 2 seconds the princess spoke and even Giga spoke for 2 seconds. Now then the prince have to wait for how much seconds, can somebody tell me? 4 seconds.
For
4
seconds.
Yes, it's just a simple addition, okay?
3 seconds.
Okay, then he will wait for 2 seconds and he'll tell. He'll tell, hi Giga. Then the princess, she have to wait for 2 seconds because the prince spoke for 2 seconds. And in the looks, I'll go to the say block again and make her say. Let's travel today. Okay, she will tell it for 2 seconds. Then Giga, like prince spoke and even the princess spoke. So again, Giga had to wait for 4 seconds.
Okay.
Now, you have to replay as an yes. Yes, and I'll make her tell it for 1 second, okay? Now, please don't scribble on the scene. It's disturbing the others. Now, I want another character. As you know, in the stories, there will be like more than 100 characters. So I'm going to, however, choose the sprite. And can somebody tell me which character should I choose?
Can we choose any animals?
Your wish.
Fairy, please.
I want any person, okay?
You can go to people. You can go to people.
Go to people. And any options?
No.
First one.
You mean this one?
David.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna click on it. Now, instead of the Giga sprite, I want Happy sprite to appear on it. Please mute your audio. Now, instead of the Giga sprite, I want Abby to appear. So, I'll go to Giga and I'll make him in the looks category, of course. First, I'll take the hide one. And after they spoke this, and Giga will hide and Abby will appear here. And I want when green flag lit, means I don't want her to show up in all the last scenes. I want her to show up at the certain scene. So I'll make her hide. Okay. Any doubts still here?
No, Aditi.
Okay, now. Okay, now let me continue the class. Now, I'll go to the princess. I'll go to the prince. Okay? And I'll tell him to wait for how much seconds did Giga speak? 1 second, right? Then I'll make the prince wait for 1 second, and you can see in the events broadcast message one, right? This one. I'm gonna add it here.
What does it
Broadcast
do?
is like an invisible message which is sent like to warn or tell a sprite what to do. Now I'll go to Abby. And you can see the other block when I receive message one, right? I'm gonna click on it. And I'm gonna go to looks and I'm gonna choose show right here. Okay. Now, when Giga will disappear at the last scenes, Abby sprite will not appear, but present. But when Abby appears, Giga will be not present. So,
Can you show it once?
wait a minute, I'm gonna just complete a little and I'm gonna show you. Now, like, I want to make her say something. So I'll go to the say block and I'm gonna add it right here and make her say, can I join? Can I join? And I'll make the princess wait. And she spoke for 2 seconds, and Giga will not be appeared there, and the prince didn't spoke, but he'll tell yes for 1 second. So I have to make them wait 3 seconds. Now, after making them wait 3 seconds, now the princess should give a response to the Abby sprite. So I'll make her say, yes, you can. Now, princess had gave a reply to Abby. So let's make them travel around as they spoke. Is everyone ready?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Now, currently we have 4 sprites. Now I'll go to the backdrops option. And they are going to travel, right? So I'm going to need a lot of traveling spaces. So can anyone name any instead of colorful?
Road.
Photo.
Farm.
Beach.
Farm.
Maybe
High field.
Farm.
Forest. Beach. Metro.
Metro.
Farm.
maybe I'll go to beach because I feel like it's the best. I'll go to beach, okay? Now, when they reach the beach, I'm going to to the princess in the in the events. When backdrop switches to, you can see this block, right? I'm going to add it on. And now when it switches to beach, I'll make her say, looks like a great spot. Okay. Now let's see it once. Before that, I will change it into a previous one, which was colorful city. Now, I'll click on the green flag. And you can see it. Let's go to the castle. Now you can see she appeared and Giga disappeared. Now let's stop for this much and now let's continue. Now I'm going to do coding for the prince. Before that, I'm going to go to Abby. And don't you feel irritating while counting all these seconds, right? So,
Yes.
instead of counting them, why can't we make it even easier? So, I'm going to broadcast message 1, you can see, right? But we had already used that block with the prince. So, I'm going to choose it and new message and I'll type there. Message 2.
Aditi, somebody is scratching.
Don't worry about them. I told you, right? Now, when I click on OK, it turns out message 2. And I'll make the prince say, when I receive, you can see, right, when I receive message 2, I'm gonna paste it on here. Now, I'm gonna make him say, yes, for 1 second. Now, Abby would like to speak. So, I'll go to the control and make her wait. And the princess even spoke. Like for, now Abby only spoke like, can I join? And for 2 seconds. And she had to wait for 1 second. Because and now, I'll go to the prince. And he'll tell yes for 1 second. And want the princess to replay. I'll go to looks and take the say block. And how much seconds did the prince spoke? In some number? Okay, let me see.
3 seconds.
No, you only spoke for 1 second. So, I'll type there 1 second and I'll make him say, and I'll make her say, let's find another spot. And now they are discussing about to go somewhere else. So I'm going to need another backdrop. So can anyone suggest me? I don't want it to be sport.
Metro.
Farm.
Walk.
Farm.
Metro.
Farm.
Metro.
Farm.
Metro. Farm.
Maybe I'll go to
Metro.
Any resort.
I'll go to farm.
Metro. Choose.
Friends, you have to wait for. Please mute your audio. Thank you. And how much seconds did the princess spoke? Can anyone tell me?
For 1 second.
2 seconds. 2
seconds.
Okay, she spoke for 2 seconds. Okay? Your audios, please. She spoke for 2 seconds. Then the prince have to wait for 2 seconds, right?
Yes.
How much say? I'm gonna make him say. Did everyone finish the coding still here? Or should I show it?
Show it one.
Show
Okay,
the
you want to
giga
show
code.
it once, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'll go to Princess Pride and I'm going to show everything. Like you can see first when flag click, say hi princess for 2 seconds, wait 2 seconds and let's go to the castle. What a beautiful, and did you finish? Everyone did finish?
Yes.
Yes, sir, it came.
Means everyone finished the princess, right? Or do you have any doubts in the Princess Bride?
No.
Then I'm going to go to the Prince Bride. And let me go to the beginning of it. Now you can see, right? Pen flag click. Wait 2 seconds and okay, till here is it completed?
Please go a little down.
Of course. Okay. You mean here, right?
Yes.
Okay, now is it done, everyone?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
I'm going to make the prince say, it doesn't. It doesn't. Does anyone have doubt?
No.
Okay. I?
have a doubt.
Yes, please ask what is your doubt?
There is a pictures where they stand like
I can't hear you, excuse me. Can you repeat? What was your doubt? Please, I have to continue the class. Can you?
the pictures were standing like. How did you select
You
the
mean the
pictures?
background, right? Okay. Background means
Background and the picture.
that means the farm. See here, you can see this cat-like looking one, right?
Yes.
Here there is this one. This option. It is called choose a backdrop. I'm gonna click on it. Then you're gonna get a lot of choices in backdrop. Okay.
Okay.
Any other doubts?
How did you select the pictures?
To select the picture, just go to that option and click on any picture. It will automatically be selected. Yes.
The person, like the princess.
Oh, those ones. You will get in this cat-like looking option. When you click on it, please stop drawing on the screen. You can see all these options, right? These are all called as sprites, okay? When you click on upon it, it will be seen on your screen, which is this.
Okay.
And you can give coding for them, okay?
Okay.
Now I'm going to make the prince say, it doesn't feel good
You written for feel fell.
and what was your doubt, Ritwik?
You written for feel fell.
So thank you for correcting my mistake. Please stop drawing on the screen. I'm repeating it third time, okay?
You also added extra. You added extra.
Okay? Now he tells it doesn't feel good. And the princess, now can you tell me how much seconds does the prince speak?
Second. 2 seconds.
Yes, you all are right. Thank you. He spoke for 2 seconds. Now can Ishani tell me where will I get that wait block?
In the control.
Okay, I'll go to the control. And where is the weight block?
First one.
Thank you. Now I'll add it here. And can you again tell me how much seconds did the prince speak?
2 seconds.
2 seconds.
Yes, you're
1
right.
second.
He spoke for 2 seconds. Okay. Like this is
Excuse me,
how the
Aditi.
yes, you can.
Could you please show the code of Giga?
Okay. Does even others want the code of Giga?
Yes,
Yeah.
please.
Okay.
Okay. Then I'm gonna explain it. Okay. First, it's when the green flag click and hide. Okay. The green flag
Yes,
click is
Aditi.
in the events and
Kushal,
hide.
don't draw it.
Look.
Kushal, don't draw.
Please don't draw on the screen.
Kushal. Dear Prasad.
Please don't draw on the screen. It may look fun, but it is disturbing to others. Now, when backdrop switches to Castle 1, it is also in the events and show, which is in the looks. And wait 2 seconds, as you know, it's in the control. And the purple blocks are in the looks. Okay? Did Sharanya finish?
Yes, Aditi.
Okay.
Don't draw this.
Please don't draw on the screen.
Kushal.
Kushal, don't draw on screen.
Okay. Now, shall I continue?
Yes, Aditi.
Yes, Aditi.
Please don't draw on the screen. Please don't draw on the screen. Whoever is drawing on the screen, we will remove them.
DBS Harsha.
Please mute your audios. I don't want any mark on the screen. And if there is, they will be removed from the group. I'm warning you. Okay, does anyone want the coding of Abby too?
Yes.
Yes.
Aditi.
Yes? Did someone call me? Okay. I'll go to Abby and yes?
Yes.
See here, when the green flag clicked, you can see this option, right?
Yes.
And
Yes.
hide. Now, after explaining this, I'm going to ask questions. So, please listen carefully, okay?
Okay.
And I receive message 1. So, say I can join. And these are options. Okay. Did they finish? Just full of it, you finished, everyone?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Aditi.
Yes, sister.
Okay. Now, I'm going to go to Princess. And now, I'll ask you, where will I get these blocks, okay? Are everyone ready?
Yes.
Yes, sister.
Yes, Aditi.
I want to remind one thing to you guys that in this class, we are only going to learn how to make a story, not make a story, okay? This just like how I made it to teach you. In the next class, I'm going to teach you a nice story and you will surely love it. Now, can Rutvik,
Yes, Adil.
can you tell when flag click to say what a beautiful castle, where will I get what types of blocks they are and what will they help? First tell when green flag clicked.
If you see, when the green flag click is found on events, if if you it is used for if the That when green flag flip, the code below it with good work.
Thank you, Ritvik. And what about the say block?
For say block, you will get it in looks. It tells the words you want to show for princess, someone. Shows for 2 seconds. Say it's written like say hi princess for 2 seconds.
Thank you.
Yes.
Now, Dia,
Yes, Aditi.
can you tell me what is the use of wait?
Why wait we will get in control, sorry, event.
No, we will get in controls. You are right.
We will get in controls. It tells we should it should wait for how many seconds you want.
Okay, you are right. Actually, wait is used to make a character or a sprite wait till the other speaks or the other does any of the action.
Thank you, Aditi.
Now Vaishnav, excuse me.
Yes, Aditi.
Can you tell me why do we use wait? Wait a minute. Why do we use? Why do we use the broadcast? Why do we use the broadcast?
Broadcast.
And what is broadcast?
To change
Aditi, you can randomly choose anyone and ask.
Yes, sir. What about Sanidhya?
Yes, Aditi.
Can you tell me what is the use of broadcast? I mean this block, okay? Can see it, right?
Yes, Aditi.
Okay, can you tell me?
Organize your right hand. So please share
Yes.
answer.
Yes. Can Arya answer?
Excuse me, Aditi.
Yes.
Here, someone has written very badly on it on the codes.
ಅವ್ನ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅಪ್ಪದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಡಿದ್ರು ಅವಾಗ 2-3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ನ್ಗೆ
Please
ಎದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ
mute your audio.
ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ
Kushal.
Please mute your audio.
audio.
Aditi, can you give me one chance?
Yes,
Wait a
I'll
minute, I'm gonna give everyone a chance, but I want everyone to wait in patience. So I'm gonna give them turn by turn. Now, can Arya Nayak tell me broadcast message 1? What is the use of it?
By using broadcast, when another character or the backdrop is changed, the character starts to talk or it starts to do what we did the coding.
Yes, you're right, but I think you had a little bit of doubts in it. So let me clear it. Actually, we use broadcast for just think for the prince, right? Now, it had been like a lot of conversation between the princess and the prince. So, but in the middle, I want Giga to talk. So, can I count all these seconds and use the wait blocks? Isn't it too laborious?
Yes.
So, mostly we use broadcast, okay? And for that, and broadcast is like a invisible message which is sent to any sprite. Now, can Abu Sufyan tell me when backdrop switches to That block, which is in the events. Is Abu Sufyan present?
Yes.
Can you tell me why do we use this block? Wait, actually, someone had
To show
drawn.
the event.
Wait a minute. I'm going to show you where it is. Okay, this one, okay? Why do we use this one? When backdrop switches to.
Uh, to tell anything.
Maybe you can wait. I'm going to give you any other chances. Tanushri? Can Tanushri answer my question? Sakshi Kiran?
Yes, please.
Can you answer my question? Which was when the backdrop switches to backdrop 1. Means why do we use this blocks and what and where do we get it? Sharanya?
Yes, Aditi.
I want you to answer one of my questions, which is when the backdrop switches to, why do we use these blocks? Can you tell me?
So this block is used for the purpose. It runs the script when the backdrop changes to the specific backdrop.
Yes, you're absolutely right. Looks like you are very active in the class. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditi.
Now I have another one, which is when I receive message, can Kushal answer my question? Please mute your audios. Can Kushal answer my question? Is Kushal even present here? Abhinav? Is Abhinav present here? Manvit? Okay, Abhinav, can you answer this question? Which is why... Wait a minute, can everyone mute their audios? I am talking to Abhinav here. Now you can see this block, right? When I receive message, can you tell me why do we use it? Excuse me?
Continue.
Disha Shetty, can you?
Yes, Aditi.
Can you answer my question?
Can you repeat the question?
Of course. My question is, why do we use when I receive message? You can see the mouse pointer, right?
Yes.
This one, why do we use it and what is the purpose for it?
When we use that coding, when the character is speaking, sorry, can you wait a second?
Yes. Please, can you do it fast? Because others are even waiting, okay?
When a character receives the message,
Yes. Do you have any doubts in it?
no.
Yes.
What about Ishani? Disha Shetty, can you wait a minute? till Ishani answers?
Yes.
I want Ishani to answer.
Yes.
Do you know my question, or I should repeat it?
Can you repeat it?
See, can you see this block in which I'm holding it in my mouse pointer?
Yes.
It is when I receive message. Can you tell me what is the purpose that we use it? As you told that you had not have any doubts.
When I receive message to know,
Yes.
it is used for when something the sprite told to
Wait a minute. Then I think too many members have doubt in it. So I'm gonna explain. Like you can see in the print sprite, broadcast message one, right? Can everyone see this one? Broadcast message one, which is also in here. Actually, these broadcast message and broadcast message wait when I receive, these three are like very useful blocks, and we use it for like when the invisible broadcast is like used for when broadcast is like an invisible message which is sent to a sprite. Like now think that princess sends an invisible message using the broadcast, and the prince want to receive it, but anyone can receive it. So how can we make the only prince receive it? So you can see in the broadcast above it when I receive. When you click on it, when you drag it and add it to the prince, then you will get like when I receive. Okay, just think like I'm gonna like show you. Now Princess and Giga have been talking for a long time in the story, and I want the prince to talk in the middle, so I can't like count all the seconds as I told you, because it is too laborious. So I will use broadcast, right? And when I want now I want the prince to speak in middle. So I want to ask Princess, Giga, or even Abby in these three sprites, any one, so that they can broadcast the invisible message, and the prince can take it by when I receive. And when you add when I receive to, you can see, right? When I receive this one, after he receives, he can communicate in the middle. Okay? Do anyone have other doubts?
no, Aditi.
Okay, looks like no one has any doubts. So
Excuse me,
I have
Aditi.
an assignment for you guys. Can you do it?
Yes.
Yes, Aditi.
Can you try to make a story, and a short story is enough, and send me?
Yes, Aditi.
Okay, Aditi.
Yes, Aditi.
You can make any types, and if
Okay,
anyone
Aditi.
has doubts, you can ask me now.
Aditi.
Excuse me, Aditi.
Yes, Dhanavi?
How to make a new character in this scratch?
How to make a new character? Okay.
Yes.
You can see there's a cat-like object right here.
Yes.
When you click on it, you will get like a lot of choices. These are all called as sprites. Okay.
Okay.
Now you can, if it's hard to see which one you want, you can even go to search, and I'll go to like this, and you will get related to it. See, I got this. When I click on it, the sprite will be present here, and I can make it stand wherever I want. Okay.
Okay.
And if you want to delete it, just click on it and you can see this delete option. When you click it, click on yes, it will be deleted, okay?
Okay.
Any other doubts?
No, Aditi.
Can you tell us the link?
The link? What do you mean?
What did you?
Any doubts?
Excuse me, Aditi.
Yes, Janya.
This Scratch app we can download in our phone.
Yes, you can. Just, write Play Store. In that, if you search Scratch, you will get it and you can even download it, okay?
Aditi, it is not
Yeah,
available
we
in
have to
the Play
search
Store.
like Scratch. I mean Scratch Junior or what we have to search.
Only
It's your wish. Even Scratch Junior, anything, okay?
It is not available in Play Store.
It is available.
It is available.
It is available in Google. You can search Scratch.
Yes, it is
You'll get
available.
link.
Google
If it is
Scratch
not,
Editor is there.
please mute your audios.
Excuse me, Aditi.
Yes.
I have got the Scratch app in Play Store.
Okay. Yes, you can get it even in the Play Store and in the Google.
Yes.
Okay.
Or Google or in Play Store.
Yes. Any other doubts that I can clear?
Excuse me, Aditi.
Yes, Samanvi?
Search in Play Store. I'm not getting that.
What?
Searching. I searched Scratch in Play Store. I'm not getting that.
In Play Store, right? Just go to
Yeah, it's coming like Scratch Junior.
Yeah, even that is Scratch, okay? It is also the same thing, but there's nothing changes, okay? You can even take that.
Excuse me, Aditi.
Yes.
How to change the background?
To change a background, it's like very simple. Near the cat type option, you can see, right?
Yes, Aditi.
Near that, you can see like a canvas type option. You can click on that and you will get like a lot of choices of the backgrounds. Okay? If it's hard to search, just go to the search option and you can search any of it. Okay?
Okay, Aditi.
I hope that there is no other doubts. And please remember the assignment, okay? And I think everyone had enjoyed today's class. Did everyone enjoy today's class?
Yes, Aditi.
Yes,
Aditi.
Okay, now I'm going to stop sharing my screen.
Excuse me, Aditi.
Yes?
When we have to submit.
How to share a story in Scratch?
To share a story, actually, I'm going to teach it in the next class today. In this class, we only learned how to make a story, and furthermore, we're going to learn in next class. Okay? Can you wait till then?
Yes, Aditi. Thank you.
Okay, now I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Okay.
But when we have to submit our project.
Okay. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
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 Thank you.
Bye, Aditi.
Bye, Aditi.